Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. Today I will be looking at this Sony M-730V Microcassette recorder designed for dictation. I still have most of the original contents of the box. There's the original manuals, a carrying bag, the recorder itself, and quite a few microcassettes to use with the machine. The issue with this machine is that the door doesn't fully shut. It seems to be something on the left side, possibly related to this tab here. It seems that bending it with a screwdriver has helped. Let's give it a go, setting the tape speed to 2.4 centimeters. That's not good. Time to open it and see what's wrong. There are 4 long screws and 1 short screw under the battery compartment, keeping this recorder together. The circuitry is really neat. There's also 2 more screws on the circuit board. I don't know if you can see that very well, but the belts are completely melting. That's not very good. To my surprise, the replacement belts were still available on eBay. I'll open this back up to install the new belts and hopefully get this working to show you how it sounds. The big belt goes around the black wheel and then around this brass wheel, which is covered with the remnants of the old melting belt. The little one goes here, and yeah, this one is also melting. I'll start by installing the smaller belt first. I'll then remove all of the rubber gloop left behind by the past big belt. Yeah, it's quite gross. I'll then install the big new belt, making sure it goes around the black wheel and not under it. And finally, screw it all back together, just like how we opened it. And here it is. Play works in forward and reverse. You can see the physical head shifting when you change between forward and reverse play. The rewind and fast forward seem to work, and the record button also seems fine. I'll get out a brand new microcassette and I'll give it a little test in high quality 2.4 centimeter mode. Testing. That seems to work fine. I'll record my usual test song to see how it sounds. I remember this sounding quite spooky with music. It definitely has a wonderfully spooky sound, doesn't it? It would be great for a spooky soundtrack or something like that. Hopefully you found this video fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!